Hello and welcome to the Musty Game Dev, where we love games and love game development. Today, I'm going to focus on something simple that will build into a larger tutorial series, and I'm going to do something I haven't really done before, which is import a custom asset into UEFN. And let's start with that. So right-click here in the content drawer in our project content folder, new folder, type in imported assets here. And then go to this file, drag that in. And then we will import. All right. Go ahead, add. Let's see. Okay, there we go. That was a little confused about that flow there, but here we have this shrimple wall one round hole. So thank you to Sketchfab and the 3D artist who made that. So content drawer, and I can drag this out, and there we go. Look at that. Got a custom imported asset. Very cool. Now, the next thing here is to create this into a prop, right? So if we were, let's go to verse here. Let's open the verse explorer. Let's add a new verse file to the project. Verse device. And it will say wall control device. We'll just say that. Create empty. And we'll save. And then we'll click verse again. Open up the VS Code. All right, so let's see here. Wall control device verse. I guess there's some new stuff in here. Stuff is red. I'm not sure why it's red. All right. You know what? Let's install this update. Maybe that will fix stuff. Let's say yes. I've been needing to install this update. All right. Well, okay, that was it. Oh, that's what empty is. Okay. Yep. Should have just had it create instead of create empty. All right. Let's see here. Let's go back to this. Add new. We'll just copy this. Hit cancel. There we go. All right, cool. Got the basic stuff in here. And if we think it's just tag or tags or something like that. If we wanted to create a new tag, we would need to have this using statement here to import that part of the library or module or package, however it's called. And then let's get rid of this here. And let's get rid of this as well. So if we want to create a new tag, so this is a really good article, Gameplay Tags in Verse. And currently gameplay tags can be assigned to the following props, devices, and Verse author devices. So if I create a new tag, so just copy paste this, we'll create it out here, and let's call this wall tag. If I create that, I guess you have to have something in here. So we will have a print statement, get tags. There we go. All right, so we got this code in here. We have the wall tag set up here. If we go back to UEFN, let's do a file, save all. Let's go to Verse, build Verse code. No errors, right? We need to add the wall tag to this. And to do that, I need to go import assets here. And let's right click in here, scripted assets to actions, and convert to prop. And then we'll say metal. And now we have custom props over here. And now if I pull this out, it's still the same static mesh component, but it is now a prop and it has a different icon there. This icon is for it's just an asset. This is a prop. And so now for this prop, I hit plus. Now for prop, I hit plus, and then I can hit the verse tag markup, and then hit edit, and then add the wall tag to it. And there we go. Now it's tagged up. And there we go. So that's the difference there. So we got the static mesh component here that we imported, an FBX file. And you should work with files that are smaller, right? So smaller in size. I tried earlier with a bigger OBJ file, like a 42 megabyte OBJ file, and there were issues with the import on that, and also it was too big of a file to upload. The editor was saying, so just FYI on those things. But yeah, so now we have this prop here, so let's delete this. Okay, so yes, so that is the end of this video. It's very, very short, but wanted to just go over that, and we'll have more to go over in the next coming weeks. But yeah, so you can import an asset by just dragging it into your content project folder or a folder underneath that, like import assets like I did, and then do the import screen there, and then you can right click on it and then go to scripted asset actions, convert to a prop, and then whatever you want to choose. I chose metal for this one. And then from that point on, Epic automatically creates a custom props folder and puts your custom prop in that folder. And then you can drag that out and it's a custom prop. And from that point, then you can add a tag to it by clicking the plus and then clicking on verse tag markup, going to verse tag markup, hitting edit, and then adding the tag that we created here and the verse code here, wall tag. So that's it. That's all I want to show you. And we'll have more next week. And in the meantime, stay musty.